Here is the JVC Everio GZ-HM670 overall conditions. You can see that the lens is clean and clear. Okay. And inside the box we have, first of all, is the charger. Then here is the cable that connect with the computer, the HDMI cable. Okay. And this one is the USB cable, and this one is for the TV cable. Okay. Okay. So about the charging port is at here, this compartment. You just open it like that. Yeah. And you just insert into here and you just charge it. And when during its charge, here we have a red light up, means it's charging. It will blink last. Okay. Then here is the SD card compartment. We will give you a 16 gig SD card, and how to put it is quite easy. Here got a symbol. Yeah, you can see here is iSIM. Then we just push it inside and close it. This is the battery, and when we want to take off the battery, pull it down and push it down. Yeah, like that. Then when we want to equip, insert like this, because here got a stuff at here. Okay, equip and push it up. Next thing, open it, then you go on. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It's touch screen. Okay. Then here's the zoom, tally, and zoom up. Then here is the snapshot, which take photo. Yeah, photo mode. And here is the recording mode. When you click it, then it will start recording. Okay. Then here we can switch between like shooting mode or the video mode lah. Okay, now it's like video mode. If I click again, yeah, it's shooting mode. Then it will be different a bit lah, because you can like adjust the white balance and all this setting by clicking the menu. Yeah, the light you can on or off it. The light will appear at here, but it's small light only lah. Okay. Then the self timer, touch priority. Okay. Then auto record, shutter mode, all these things you can adjust by yourself. And okay, click again. This one is for the video mode. Okay. Then also same, slightly same a bit. DIS is means that it's like kind of stabilizer or something lah. Okay. Then wind card is the sound card lah. Okay. Then I try to show you. Okay, this one is the color. You can on or off it. Okay, video quality. Higher quality will be like higher, bigger size lah. Okay, then I click again. This one is auto, fully auto. Then I want manual mode, so I just click this. Okay. So this one is the animation effect. You can adjust by yourself lah. Okay, like different kind of. Okay. Then okay, click here. Here is another mode lah. It's like the fully setting, like common setting. Okay, you can on off the sound and switch the record media is at the SD card or the internal one. Okay. Then here you can format the built-in memory or the SD card also lah. Okay. And when you want to clear the SD card, I would recommend you use this mode by formatting it instead of like you delete one by one. Okay. Here is like using like look back what you have took lah. Okay, yeah, it's like this. Okay, this one is menu. Sorry. And if you want to shoot, you just click again. Yeah, it will switch back to this mode. Okay. So the overall is like this, and this one is the info. Yeah, This one will show you like how many you have storage, and if you're using this mode, you can took like maybe 1 hour something video. Okay, this is like more higher quality lah, so you can took like lesser hour. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I stop it first. Then maybe I go for the normal one will do. Okay. So the overall is at here the setting. If you want to off it, you just click this button, or you close directly also can. And this you can be like selfie lah. Okay. So the overall is like this. And when you shoot, if you didn't shoot it, just off it will do, because the battery is not that long lasting. So maybe if you didn't use it, off it. And here you can off it like that to protect the lens lah. Okay, if not, dust will go inside, then you need to clear by yourself like that. So overall is like this. Hope you enjoyed. Now I'm showing you like how to change the white balance by clicking this eye auto, this button. Okay, in menu mode, click for a while, then it will change to menu mode lah. Then we click to the menu there, so you can click the white balance and you can select by yourself. Yeah, you see the color tone will be changed one by one, like different kind of environment it will change like that. So the overall is like this. And hope you enjoyed. If you want to like fully auto, then you just click it. Okay, like that will do. Then it will be fully auto, and you cannot switch the white balance by yourself lah.